Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do part 2 of the paving of the Southern Coastal Highway. Sorry, not the paving, the white lines. So as you know, they've finished paving the road. 100% of the road is paved. You have one or two spots that need touching up because they dug up the road or for some reason, but the majority of the road is paved. So now they are putting in the white lines, and there is a machine in front of us. It's actually in operation now. So they are putting in a white line to the left, which is there. You see it, and look at how simple and easy it is to put in the white line. Now they look like they're doing the marking, and then they'll come back and go again and put a thicker white line. And if you look in the middle of the road, you can see some white dots. That's where the broken white line is going to go. But on the left, what they're doing now is putting in a solid white line. So this is how the machine works. Very simple. Now we really have to ask the question. And I would like you guys to comment. Why doesn't the NWA or some entity have like 10 of these machines, and then you just drive around the island and put in the white lines on the roads? There are so many main roads that need white lines. If you drive on the south coast, you'll be surprised at how many roads need a white line. And look at that. Look at how simple it is. Now, I've heard in the past that they're waiting for the road to be rehabilitated. But guess what? The line can go on the road as it is, and then when you rehabilitate the road, you put in another white line. But nonetheless, this is how it's done. Very simple operation. So we'll keep you guys updated. Now, in terms of the white lines, I would say about 70% of this highway, and we're talking about the Harbour View to Yala section now, about 70% has the lines in it. Now remember, the road was they just finished paving the entire road. Like out by Bull Bay where the police station used to be, they still have paving equipment out there. So they just finished paving the section, I should say, from Harbour View to Yalos. So now they're putting in the white lines because they plan to open this highway in, what is it now? 2 weeks? 3 weeks? 3 weeks by the December 31st. And based on what we've seen, they should make that deadline. And we'll give you guys updates on this section of the project probably every 2 days as we approach the end of December. And you can see on this side of the road also the broken white line. That is the marking for them to go and put in the white line now. So guys, let us know what you think about this project. Do you think it will finish by December 31st? And we're talking about the Harbour View to Yalos section now. That section is going to be 4 lanes. The rest of the road from Yalos to Portland is going to be 2 lanes. And there you can see the street lights have been installed. Very nicely done. This road is progressing nicely. And of course, the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. At this point, I don't think we really need to even mention that because there is just one contractor that can do a job like this in Jamaica at this time. See, some more street lights gone in, and this section of the road is also marked for the white line to go in. I think since they finish one side of the road and the traffic is just on one side now, it makes it they move much faster because within the last couple of weeks I've seen a lot more work going on this project. So you see, we're on this side of the road. Both lanes are traffic. So they're free to work on the other side of the Jersey barrier or the other side of the road now without having to contend with the traffic. So I think that is why this project is moving so quickly now. Also, I've seen a lot more resources, a lot more workers on this project. So they definitely should make the December 31st deadline. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.